The dark web is one of the most mysterious and misunderstood parts of the internet. It's a hidden space only accessible through special tools, often linked with illegal activities. The dark web is part of the internet that is intentionally hidden from search engines and requires specific software like Tor for access. It offers anonymity to its users. The dark web works by encrypting your data through multiple layers, making it difficult to trace. Using Tor, your traffic is encrypted several times before reaching its destination. The dark web has its legitimate uses, including privacy and free speech, whistleblowing platforms like WikiLeaks, and providing anonymous access for research and journalism. Despite legitimate uses, dangers exist on the dark web, including illicit marketplaces, cybercrime, and unregulated content that can be harmful. To explore the dark web safely, use the Tor browser, employ a VPN for extra protection, and never share personal information with suspicious links. Many myths surround the dark web. It's falsely believed to be only about crime, to be impossible to access, or that users cannot be tracked. As privacy demands grow, the dark web may evolve with new privacy tools. However, it will always pose risks, especially amid rising cybercrime. The dark web, while risky, also offers a space for privacy and free speech. Understanding how to navigate it safely is crucial for users.